And then I also just made some homemade pasta sauce that I put up into this glass container, and I used oregano essential oil from doTERRA. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about doTERRA's oregano essential oil and the benefits and uses of it. And so oregano is a really powerful oil, and that's because it's derived from the leaves of the oregano plant. Oregano essential oil has many traditional and modern uses. It supports a healthy immune system, healthy digestion, and respiratory function, offers powerful antioxidants, and is used as a powerful cleansing and purifying agent. So if you're feeling a little under the weather, or if others around you are feeling a little under the weather, I'm going to show you one really practical way that I like to use this. This includes the doTERRA veggie caps. That's right. All right, so basically what you do is you take one capsule from here, like so, boom, right there. Open it up, like so, like that. And then what we do is we take the oregano, and you can take it internally because there's the supplement facts on it, which might be a little hard to read, but they're there. So that's how you can take it internally because it's a dietary supplement. On top of, there's third-party testing, and you can verify those test results with the batch number on the bottom at sourcetoyou.com. And so you get transparency as well as quality assurance with doTERRA's oregano. All right, so what we're gonna do is put about 2 to 3 drops of this in the capsule. 1, 2, 3. Boom, there we go. And we just put the cap back on like so. There we go. And now we have the capsule of oregano. So if you're feeling a little under the weather or others around you, this will give you an immune support, and it will also help to support your digestional tract and gastrointestinal tract. This is very, very important. And then I use this instead of synthetic or toxic options. And then there is a probiotic protocol that I would do as well. So I'm gonna use this or the doTERRA GX Assist for 10 days until I feel better. And then I'm going to use doTERRA's PB Assist 10 days after that to support the good guys in my digestional tract. So very, very important. Now, if you have an ouchie, a boo-boo, a nick, or somewhere on your hand or body, then what you want to do is put some fractionated coconut oil on there. And so this is, basically it has the medium chain triglycerides removed. There's no smell. It's easy to apply, non-greasy. And what it does is it's a carrier oil. So you put a little bit on top like that, and then you would actually put about a drop of this on that area, and then you would rub it in. And so what that is going to do is support your immune system as well, and make sure no unfriendly microorganisms take a foothold. And that's gonna be very, very important to support topically your health. And then I also just made some homemade pasta sauce that I put up into this glass container, and I used oregano essential oil from doTERRA, as well as doTERRA's black pepper oil, as well as doTERRA's basil essential oil. And that provides not just flavor benefits like with herbs, but the essential oils provide therapeutic value and support your digestion and your immune system, and they're a concentrated dose of that. And so some people like to put like fresh herbs or dried herbs, which is fine, but sometimes they're a little bit hard to source if they're fresh, and real food rots. And so that's one issue with the real, fresh herbs. And then the other is if it's dried herbs, having something more concentrated in addition to more concentrated and powerful therapeutic values is what you want. And it really does help the flavor of things like this. So I made this from basically organic diced tomatoes with no BPA in the can lining that I got from Sprouts, which is a grocery store here. And then I got some tomato paste as well. And I have a whole recipe. It's pretty simple, but also there's some extra awesomeness that I put in there too to help with the flavor. And that is really, really good to use with lentil pasta, or I make my own, sometimes pizzas. So good, so simple, and you know what's in your stuff. That's what's so powerful. Like, you know what's in your food, and the food can help give your body what it needs, and then your body can heal itself. So the essential oils don't heal your body. Your body heals itself when it gets what it needs, and your body needs vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and essential oils are just an enhancement to your quality of life. That's it. It allows you to do what your body needs to do in order to get right. All right, well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Oregano is one of those oils that doesn't get a whole bunch of love because it's a hot oil, and not hot from temperature, not hot from spicy, but hot from a caustic standpoint, meaning it can provide a little irritation if you aren't careful, or it can be an effective way to support your digestion, your immune system, and really just knock out unfriendly microorganisms on the surface of your skin. It can be a powerful tool for you, or it can, not be if you don't use it properly, which is why I do videos like this so you can understand the benefits and the uses properly to provide an effective, natural, safe solution that's less expensive than traditional options if you have a proactive wellness lifestyle and don't wait until something gets too bad where you're at the point of no return. All right, well, thank you so much for watching again, and make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.